guys are doing well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. It is another super hot, muggy, sticky day in the UK currently. I am so warm. I have a fan right here, which I feel like is not going to be ideal for filming. I just have it on because I'm absolutely melting, so do bear with me. I just need to cool myself down. I am so hot, it is unreal. I don't want to turn it off, not gonna lie. Anyway, you guys can tell by the title, today we are doing another Lush subscription box unboxing. I love these videos, I love filming these videos, I love watching these videos. Honestly, receiving this box every single month brings me so much joy and excitement. Next month's box, I am so excited about it. We got to see a sneak peek of it a few months ago when we went to an event, and it is probably my favourite box so far this year, so I am absolutely buzzing to get that one. But this month is a very exciting one as well. I do know the theme for this one. I have seen spoilers and sneak peeks, but I am so excited to see what the products are like. I cannot wait to have a little look. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Okay, let's see if I can rip it in one. I feel like every single time it doesn't work. Oh! She did it. What a good time. Okay, let's have a little look and see what's inside. Again, it's a box inside a box. That smells insane. Oh my goodness. Get that out right now. You guys, this box is so cute. I actually cannot cope. This is adorable. And if you guys can't tell the theme, this month's theme is lemon, which I love. Oh, anything lemon, I just love it. It smells edible. Get that out right now. Okay, let's just dive in. I'm too excited. Okay, let's dive into the first product. So the first thing we have is a lip scrub. This is Nibble. How cute is that name? I absolutely love that. This one I'm going to presume is lemon flavoured. So it's got caster sugar, organic jojoba, blah, 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 blah. Cannot get my words out, jojoba oil. It's also got lemon oil, and it's also got glycerin. Is that basically it? I'm gonna have to open it and give it a smell and see. Oh, stop. I'm literally salivating. That smell, that's insane. Also, look how juicy that looks. Like, that looks so delicious. I think I just need to taste some. I have got lip gloss on. Oh, it's melted a little bit. That's probably why, because it is so hot. That's dangerous. That is so good. Oh, dare I say, that is my favourite lip scrub so far. I don't know if I want to say it. That is incredible. It's so lemony, it's so sweet. It's almost like, kind of like a lemon sorbet, but more sweet and sour. That is incredible. Also, I love the design on the packaging. As always, they have really stepped up the designs on the stickers over the past few months, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So this one is an absolute 10 out of 10 for me. I love it. It's so good, and I'm actually really impressed with that, because to be honest with you, the lip scrub I was kind of like umming and ahhing about. I was thinking, like, do I really need to keep that? Like, is that something that I would enjoy? I enjoy. So good. Okay, the next item we have got is, ooh, okay. Ooh, do you know what? I didn't expect that. So I have seen that there was going to be something in this fragrance, and I thought it was just going to be the original item, and then I was a little bit like, well, it's a nice product, but like, I probably wouldn't use it. But this is the Lemony Flutter body conditioner. So if you guys don't know, Lemony Flutter was a cuticle butter, and don't get me wrong, it was a beautiful product, like worked really well, incredible for dry skin, but it just wasn't something that I would gravitate towards, if I'm being honest. But this, very excited about. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got jojoba oil, cocoa butter, we've also got shea butter, lemon oil, lavender oil, and I think that's pretty much it. Chamomile blue oil. I feel like I'm gonna have to open this right now. Ooh. Okay, so this, you can definitely smell that chamomile undertone. It's not as like sweet sour as the lip scrub, but it's definitely got a lemony undertone to it. Like, it's very fresh. It's almost like mixing like an avo bath with, I don't know, like a chamomile like rice bag or something. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's a very fresh, relaxing, but has that zing of lemon. That is so good. I am going to put a little bit on my arm just to see. My skin is so dry since being back from holiday, so I feel like I could literally rub this into my skin. Wow. That is so different on the skin. I need to put some on the other side as well, just because I'm super dry, but this is really nice. Wow. I know you are supposed to technically wash this off, but my skin is, as I said, it's so dry at the moment, so, oh, that's incredible. When you've got it on the skin, it definitely has more of a stronger lemon smell than anything else. That is really nice, very refreshing, and I feel like really, really good for this time of year, so I'm very excited about this one as well. And again, I absolutely love the attention to detail with these stickers. I think they're so beautiful. They scream summer, kind of, it's giving like Greek holiday vibes to me. I don't know what it is, but I really love that. So that is delish. I'm really impressed with that one. Okay, so the next item, let's do this one, because this one I am really excited about. So this is the lemon shower gel. Again, look at the beautiful label. I absolutely love this. It's so beautiful. And in terms of ingredients in this one, we have got Irish moss infusion, lemon juice, we've also got lemongrass oil, bergamot oil, we've got gardenia extract. I just need to smell it like ASAP because oh, she's thick. Wow. Oh, okay, wait. You can definitely smell that kind of gardenia, like florally kind of undertone, but it's so good. Again, you can obviously smell the lemon, like the lemon is a very prominent smell, but this definitely smells different to the body conditioner. Like it's got something else going for it. It's almost like a bit more of a luxurious lemon scent, if that makes any sense. Like it's got that floral kind of undertone to it, which does really come through. That is really, really nice. And again, I just can't, like, I'm not gonna lie to you, when I saw the spoilers and sneak peeks of this box, I was a bit disappointed, because I find that when the whole box is centered around like an ingredient, a fragrance, I just find it a little bit more on the boring side, because I'm like, everything's gonna smell the same. However, so far everything definitely has a different kind of scent to it. Like I'm really, really impressed so far, and I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I was really not expecting a lot with this box. I'm gonna be honest, like I was kind of a bit like, ugh, like it's all gonna smell like lemon, but I'm actually really pleasantly surprised. So let's move on to the next item. Okay, and the next item we have is, this is the Lemonade Facial Cleanser. I won't lie to you, I kind of forgot this was in there. I feel like I knew there was something called lemonade, but I couldn't remember what it was. I thought it was going to be like a shower jelly or something. So this is a facial cleanser. I am quite partial to a fresh facial cleanser, I won't lie, like I do really enjoy them. This one says on the front, dull skin in need of aid, brighten up with this creamy cleanser, fresh lemon zest and gently exfoliating ground almonds, leave the skin looking radiant. So we've got a brightening, exfoliating kind of facial cleanser, which I absolutely love. And in terms of ingredients, we have got kaolin, ground almonds, fresh, I cannot speak now, fresh carrots, we've got fresh lemon zest, we've got cocoa butter, Sicilian lemon oil, I cannot speak honestly, carrageenan extract. It sounds beautiful. Ooh, whoa, how weird. There's a jelly on it. Oh, yeah, that does smell familiar. I feel like we've had this before. It's bringing back like a memory. Do you know what I mean? Like it smells really familiar. I feel like I've dropped a load of it on myself because I can feel crumbs everywhere. Yeah, this is definitely familiar, but look at that. Can you guys see? It is literally like a jelly. How interesting is that? Yum, I cannot wait to give that a try. I do really need to hurry up and use all my facial cleansers. I'm not gonna lie. Do I cleanse every day? No. Should I cleanse every day? Absolutely. I need to put my cleansers like on a shelf in my bathroom so that I can actually end up using them. Otherwise I just forget I've got them. But this one I'm really excited about. And that jelly is very interesting. So really like that one. And last but definitely not least, we have a solid soap. Now, if you guys didn't realise by now, I do have the shower box. Completely forgot to tell you guys at the start, but I do have the shower box. There is also a bath box, and there is also the XL box where you get all of the products. But I am just getting the shower boxes at the moment because I found that I wasn't using the bath bombs quick enough and it was just kind of a bit wasteful, so I decided to go to the shower box. Anyway, you guys probably don't care, I just thought I'd let you know. But let's move on to the last item, which is a soap. This product is a product we have had before. It used to be a staple product and it looks different, I'm not gonna lie. Like it doesn't look how it used to look, I don't think, but you guys let me know. I just think it looks a bit different. This is the Sexy Peel soap. So this product actually used to be a all year round item in Lush when I worked there. It was a very lovely, creamy kind of soap, I guess, but it didn't look this creamy, I don't think. When I used to buy it, I think it was more of like I don't want to say see-through colour, but do you know what I mean? It wasn't so milky. Anyway, in terms of ingredients in this one, we have got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, orange peel, orange juice, lime oil, lemon oil, grapefruit oil, coconut oil. We've also got lime, did I say lime juice already? I can't remember. Lemon juice. Oh, it's so good. So this smells basically like a lemon sherbet, like a lemon sherbet sweet. It's very zingy, very mouth-watering, super fresh. Oh, I forgot how much I love this soap. And don't get me wrong, like I love a Lush soap, like anybody does, like they're great, but I don't really know how to describe it. I use a soap in the bathroom to wash my hands. I don't wash with the soap. So like for me, soaps are like neither here nor there, but this one, oh, it's so good. It smells incredible. It actually is just making me salivate. Honestly, I just want to eat it, but that is absolutely delish. Yum, 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 yum. So those are all of the items in this month's Lush Kitchen box. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I would love to know down below, did you get this month's box? What did you think? Did you not get it? I would just love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. I would say I am really pleasantly surprised. Again, I just wasn't really looking forward to this month's box. Everybody that I was speaking to was so excited, and I was kind of a bit like, why? Like, it's all gonna smell the same, but it actually doesn't, and every single product has such a different sort of lemon scent to it. I'm honestly so impressed, and I can't tell you guys what product is my favourite. This one I'm gonna say is one that I'm the most surprised about, because I honestly thought that I was just gonna give this one away because I didn't really need another lip scrub, but this one tastes too good to let go, so I will be using that one. And I'm really excited about the cleanser as well, actually. I'm really looking forward to it, but everything so far in this box, I have no complaints. It was really good, so I would say this one was definitely a success in my opinion, but again, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. So that is going to be everything for today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Honestly, I would really appreciate it. We are on our way to 13,000 of you, and I just cannot wait to hit that, and I really would love to hit that this year. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. I love you so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.